Department of Zoology, Manipuri University, Kanchipura, the ICAR Directorate of Cold Water Fisheries Research BIMTAL na punna kusamnaduna assessment of IUCN threat status and distribution of species of the Eastern Himalaya freshwater biodiversity hotspot and Western Himalaya of India haiba thimda Numit mangani Chupna Chatthagadaba workshop program among Manipuri University ki Senate Hall Houdokhre. Thoromaduda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra Singh na Thorom ki Chief Guest ICAR Directorate of Cold Water Fisheries Research ki Director Dr. Pramod Kumar Pandey amadi School of Life Science Manipur University ki Dean Professor R. Baratha Ranjan na Thorom ki Guest of Honor amadi Department of Zoology ki HOD Professor T.H. Binoy na Thoromapu oina sarkyaki loina na IUCN Freshwater Fish Specialist Group South Asia ki Scientist Dr. Rajiv Raghav Kufos Kerala ki scientist Dr. Anwar Ali Yauna Tungan state sing dagi scientist amadi professional researcher Kungahumdoina resource person singoina sarkya ki Thoromaduga mari lene na Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra Singh na phongdoki bada Himalayan region da yumpham oiraga tijin humjin bagi study ase tangmane basic science amadi applied science ki oiba perspective khakta natana study ase social science da achoba contribution amane numit mangani chupna chathagadaba workshop asina maroina Eastern Himalayan region ki manung chana leiriba freshwater body sing da leiriba endanger amadi threatened fish species sing gi matang da assessment togani hairiba workshop asina endangered species sing asigi kaitharakliba natural habitat asida pirakliba hongba kaya asigi matang da su finding khara makhai di soidana maki puthokpa ngamgani haina mahang haiki.
I remember a very interesting article written by Professor Numit, former Vice Chancellor of Manipuri University, and in that article, he was writing about the the inability of many of the fish species from the Chinwin River coming upstream towards Manipur River because of the construction of the Ithai Barrage.